going to start this back up. Niners ball on offense on the 25 after that nice little drive and score.
Wedge.
They come back with it up the middle of the play there. Nice shot. 30s here. Niners in a drop back, a little toss right, toss left. He's going to keep it himself. And he makes the corner, and he turns the corner. Let's see. All right. Nice little pick up. Nice job, Niners. Move the ball a little bit here. Now they come around the other side, and it's open. It is open. Another open. Another open. Let's see what we can do with it. And y'all run the defense.
Nope.
Nice job, defense. Good job, Niners. Good run. Nice job, defense. Niners drop back with a little up toss.
Wedge.
Cougar didn't fool anyone in that play there. Cougar snuffed that right out. We got the quarterback keeper here around that corner. Cougar snuffed it out. Slow toss. That would, yeah, let's see. I think the Cougars. And that's a fumble on that.